the night of the flood, when it came through, it just hit so quick that it went in the house. And then me and my wife had to get on top of the dining room table, which is wooden, because it hit the electricity and there was nothing but electrical going on, and we didn't want to step into the water because of electricity. So we stayed there and we called 911, and they said that the National Guard would be here to save us, but they couldn't get in either because there was nothing but water with electricity in it. So we spent the night on top of the dining room table, which is wooden. And then in the morning, the water had gone down where we could get out and walk around a little bit. But we ruined everything. The couches were floating, everything was floating in my house. I've lost all this part of the house. I lost my 2 vehicles. And then all these guys came to help today, and all this was full of debris, which we got piled up right there. And we cleaned all this, and now we made some asado with beans. We're trying to feed the neighbors a little bit. Make the best of it. I'm gonna have a asado and a cold beer and some Cokes and water. And everybody has been really helpful. The whole community has come by. They have fed us, they have given us water. They gave us cleaning equipment, and from everybody, from Fulkerson to the church on the move, and everybody came by to help us out, and we appreciate everybody. But we lost everything, and we'll have to start all over again, but we'll do it. We're gonna do it, and then the neighbors are just helping each other. So we go across the street, we help. The next door neighbors, they come over here. We already cut the sheetrock out and everything. We don't have a home, we just start all over. So we're trying, but we're gonna do it. We're not gonna leave it. We're gonna do it. You can see the water line on the door. You see the water line, and we had to cut all that out.
Oh, it's so damp.
Yeah, and you still smell it. Yeah. So then over here, check out the backyard. The backyard was bad. And all this was bad, but we've been cleaning. The water line was up to that high too. And that came into the step. Hold on, let's put it up there. And then we came over here. And the water line, I got an apartment back here. Look, the water line destroyed my whole apartment. With my garage. And the water line on the fence line. And my outside kitchen. It's all messed up. I lost an antique jukebox. The insurance won't cover nothing.